When your diesel runs the risk of going wild, do you have what it takes to shut it down? Let's talk EPAS units and why they're a must-have for anyone working in Alberta's oil fields or other high-risk environments. I'm Megan with S&M Diesel, and this is Just the Tip. An EPAS, or electronic positive air shutdown, is designed to shut your engine down instantly by cutting off its air supply. If hydrocarbons get into your intake and your engine starts to overspeed, the EPAS steps in and stops it cold before things start to get dangerous or expensive. In Alberta's oil fields, where heavy equipment runs around the clock, safety is non-negotiable. A runaway engine can cause massive damage to your rig, the worksite, and worse, it puts everyone nearby at risk. The EPAS eliminates that risk in seconds. The EPAS is DIY friendly, with plug-in connectors and pre-made wiring harnesses. If you've got the tools, you can get this installed in about an hour and a half. No time for that? Bring it to us, and we'll handle it. This isn't just about safety, it's about being smart with your rig. Whether you're out in the patch or hauling equipment, an EPAS is a peace of mind that you can't afford to skip. Ready for an install? Check out snmdiesel.com for the full details or give us a call. We'll get you set up and ready to work.